Hello and welcome to my channel English Wala YouTuber. I hope you guys are doing well and learning English language great way. So guys, as you know that just I record some of video and then after I upload, there is only one reason. Actually, if I speak something and if I am recording something, so then if I am uploading my video, so really who is beginner and who want to learn this language, so definitely they can learn something from this video. That is why just I upload video, otherwise I don't have any intention. So guys, today I don't have any particular topic, just I would like to explain some incident happened with me, which is really very useful and very important. Not now, I mean few days ago, just I went to market and one of my close friend and very old friend, just he met me and then he started to asking, Siva, how are you and what are you doing nowadays? So then I think that place is a crowd place. That is why I was not feeling more comfortable to talk there. And then I told to them, friend, really you are saying absolutely correct. We have met for a long time. So that is why we should stay and we should sit some places and then we can discuss something about our journey and our life. So then I went to one of small, which is a really very silent place and I think quiet place. So when I went there in that shop and then I started to discussing together and then my friend asked to me one question, Siva, what is the importance of friendship in our life? So when I heard this kind of question, so really I feel very happy through in my inner side. Really, why are you asking like that question? What is the importance of friendship in our life? So just I told to them, yeah, really friend, what is the importance of friendship in our life? So actually we were friend, we are friend and we will be friend in future also. So because of friendship we are meeting and we are asking well-being, what is happening and how are you and how I am. So like that we are asking. Otherwise I think without friendship it was not possible to asking our well-being and how I am and how you are. So this is the friendship. And one more thing, like that if really you have a friend, so you can share whatever you have problem and whatever your gala day and any problem, so you can share with them. So really guys, I think sometimes what happen, if we are facing some problem related education and related any problem, any sadness, so I think we feel some of hesitation and shy how to share with my parents and with my family member. So I think it's not possible to speak very feel free. So that is why if you have friend, if you have any friend, so you can share what is your problem and how is going on all thing. So if you are sharing, suppose if you need some money and if you are facing some problem, so if you are sharing and if you are asking who is really good friend, so definitely you will get some of help to them. So this is the friendship. And other way like that, I am not saying that friendship only 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, 2 months or 2 months, 3 months. I think long life. If you are making good friend, so definitely we can help a long time. So in future I think when we complete our education, so that time we don't think that what we have to do in future. So that time we can get some suggestion from friend who is really good friend. So definitely they will give good advice, and we can do according to their opinion and their thought. So sometimes if we are educated person and if we are good knowledge, but I think sometimes we didn't get what we have to do. But if we are getting, if we are taking some of suggestion with our friend, so definitely they will give good suggestion. You have to do, you have to preparation something, and you have to do business according your choice and according your ability. So that time you can do. But I think if you don't have any friend, so you can't do anything. You can do, but I think you can't do very well. So this is the importance of friendship. And other way like that, not I am talking about my side and your side. I think every person who has a friend like that, who is living in city area, who is living in village area, so I think every person they have some kind of friend. Definitely they can ask some of problem. If they are facing some of problem, so they can ask. So it's very easy. Otherwise I think without any friend, so just you are always thinking that you always in anxiety, what I say and how to ask with my parents and what I share with them. So I think you don't feel comfortable. But I think if you have friend, sometimes what happen if you are facing some of family matter, if we are facing some problem with family member, so that time if we are sharing our friend, so really who is friend and close friend, so they will also share your thought and opinion with your friend. Yeah, my friend is facing this problem and my friend want to do this thing, that thing, and then your parent and my parent they can understand, yeah really he is taking good decision. So that time they will give some of suggestion. I think otherwise if you don't have any friend, so with whom you will share? Nothing, just your problem and your good thing and your bad thing, everything just you keep in your mind. But I think always if you are keeping in your mind, so always you are thinking and you are always in anxiety, so I think in future it may be some problem. So that is why if you have any problem, if you want to do something, so if you are sharing your friend, so definitely you will get more benefit, and you will get knowledge also what we have to do in future and how to we have to do in future. So many kind of thing you can learn. Some of friend who is I think they are belonging middle class family or rich family, so that time they give some of help also, like that if you need money, so also they can give some of money. And if you want to do any business, so if they are able, so definitely they will help you. Yeah, please you start and then I will help you, and then you can start, and in future if you are succeeding in your business, so definitely you can return back. So this is the friendship. As I am talking about my friend who has met me in the market, so really I talked near about 1 hour just only about friendship, what is the friendship and what is the necessary of friendship. So like that we talked more time. So overall I think really friendship is very important in our life, and if you have a good friend, so you can get good knowledge and you can become success in your life. Otherwise I think, I am not saying that all friends are good, some of friends also they are not good. So I think we have to choose. If that friend is good, so then we can live with them and we can share whatever we have problem and opinion. Otherwise I think if you don't have good friend, so I think leave it, doesn't matter. We should choose another good friend. So this is the benefit of friendship. Really guys, whatever I am saying, it's really truth. So this is what I wanted to share in this video. Yeah, really, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.